Hello and welcome to my video. Today I will be making a paper flower. Okay, here's what you need. Some paper that can be scrap paper, plain paper, and any sort of paper. Some string. Mine is shiny string. A hole cutter to make holes. A staple. Some crayons. Some scissors. Some glue. And that's all you need. Now here's one thing that I made. There is a card, and this is an example with a flower sticking out. It can be for a birthday card. So it opens up and closes. Okay, so after the card, you can also make. So this is like a semicircle flower that can pop out, and then you have a full flower that's like a circle, so it can hang in your room and any place you like it to be. Now, it's also by recycling with some scrap paper, because whenever you have scrap paper you can recycle it and make some flowers that can be useful for making cards and stuff like that. I'm going to show you how to make it. So first we need some scrap paper for the first start. And make and then fold it like this, any size, up to here, here, and then make a fan. Okay, now we're done. Now we can open it up. So it's all zigzaggy. Now with the crayons. So then after that, so you have your crayons ready to color in your patterns like this. So you can see in the middle there's some purple. Then over here is some nice green, and on the little petals there's some blue all around it. So so first, before you color in, you want to know where the middle is. So we put it back all together. And then after that, you make it like a card. Like that. So it's like this. So it's like a fan. And then fold. So it makes like a fan. Now, let's put it out again. And then you'll see an invisible line that is bumpy. And then you can start to colour in. So, and you have your flower. Now, all you need to do is put it back in the fan place. Now, before you make it like a flower, like this, so you can see there's a little bit curved and it looks like a flower, and let's make it curved like that. So we'll use our scissors. You can make it pointy, like that, or curved, or any shape you like. You can also leave it like this if you like to. So there we go. And then after that, we spread it out, or we use the staple. So we can use it like this. There, both sides are stapled. Now all we need to do is to make it like a flower. So, you can make it semicircled for a card or like a little decoration, or make it as a circle so it can hang or be as a decoration as well. So we use the staple again, or the glue, so you can put it around on the sides and put it all together. But I'll use the staple. There. Now your flower is finished, all nice and patterned like this one. Different shapes of the curves and the spikes. Now with the hole cutter, we'll make a hole in the flower, in one of the petals. There, so we have a hole. Then with the string and the scissors, let's cut a piece like this, so it's nice and long. and then there you go. You have your nice flower and your flowers you have that can be decorated in your room or in your sitting room or anywhere you like. So it could be a nice decoration. See you next time and subscribe to my channel. Bye!